Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Gadget Reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 12 best smart robot vacuum that will completely transform your cleaning routine. Whether you have pets, kids, or just want to spend less time on chores, these vacuums bring convenience, power, and smart features right into your home. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Qrevo 8000 PA Robot Vacuum. I was seriously impressed by the Qrevo 8000 PA Robot Vacuum, especially when it comes to raw suction power and deep cleaning performance. This device is built for tackling stubborn dirt, pet hair, and debris on both carpets and hard floors. It features smart navigation that maps your home efficiently, ensuring no corner is missed. The self-emptying base is a huge bonus, reducing maintenance and saving time. I also love how quiet it operates despite its strong suction. The app control is intuitive, letting you schedule cleanings and customize zones easily. If you want a powerful, low-maintenance cleaning solution, this robot vacuum definitely stands out as a premium choice. The Mova P10 Pro Robot Vacuum. The Mova P10 Pro Robot Vacuum delivers a fantastic balance between performance and smart features, making it a great everyday cleaning companion. I found its navigation system highly responsive, smoothly avoiding obstacles while covering the entire floor. It handles both fine dust and larger debris with ease, thanks to its optimized suction system. The slim design allows it to clean under furniture without any trouble. I also appreciate the long battery life, which is perfect for larger spaces. With app connectivity, I can schedule and monitor cleaning sessions effortlessly. Overall, it's a reliable and efficient robot vacuum that makes daily cleaning feel completely hands-free and stress-free. Dreame L40 Ultra Robot. The Dreame L40 Ultra Robot feels like a next-level cleaning machine with its advanced automation features and powerful performance. I really like how it combines vacuuming and mopping in one seamless system, delivering a thorough clean every time. Its intelligent mapping technology ensures precise navigation, even in complex layouts. The auto cleaning dock is incredibly convenient, handling dust disposal and mop maintenance for you. It's perfect for busy lifestyles where you want minimal effort but maximum cleanliness. The suction power is strong enough for carpets, while the mopping function leaves floors shining. This is easily one of the most advanced and user-friendly robot vacuums I've tried. Ropvacnic Smart Robot Vacuum. The Ropvacnic Smart Robot Vacuum is a solid option if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet capable cleaning solution. I was pleasantly surprised by how well it handles everyday dirt and dust across different surfaces. Its compact design helps it reach tight spaces, including under sofas and beds. The smart sensors help avoid obstacles and prevent falls, making it safe for multi-level homes. It's also very easy to operate with simple controls and reliable performance. While it may not have high-end features, it still delivers consistent results. For anyone starting with robot vacuums, this is a practical and dependable choice. Tapo RV20 Max Robot Vacuum. The Tapo RV